A lot of customers want to get three quotes nowadays as if all the contractors are exactly the same. And it really couldn't be further from the truth. You want to make sure that whoever you're hiring has experience installing these types of heat pumps in your home because it's very different than installing a gas furnace or an oil boiler. You want to make sure you're working with someone who has experience and the longevity to prove that they've been installing and designing these systems correctly for many years. And especially today in Massachusetts, with heat pump installs being so buzzworthy, every oil, propane, and plumber that can turn a wrench is now installing heat pumps. This is a big investment. So you want to make sure that whoever you're going to trust to install the system that's going to keep your family warm and comfortable year round has the experience. They'll install correctly and they'll also stand behind it. And the worst part is, if the system isn't designed and installed correctly, it can actually void your rebates and the warranty with the manufacturer. At Green Energy Mechanical, we're an elite diamond contractor. And what that means for you is you get an extended parts and compressor warranty up to 12 years. If you combine that with our internal VIP membership, we also give you 12 years of labor warranty for complete peace of mind for over a decade. And lastly, don't take my word for it. Green Energy Mechanical has been nationally recognized by the Ductless All-Stars in their Ductless Directory as one of their preferred contractors. If you want to learn more, give us a call. Call us at 877-502-7727 today.